Well, I'm proud to announce Xiaomi as a new listed company of Zars Tech Stream, whose reviews will be done here. I want to thank Xiaomi Mobile Seller for making this video possible and providing the product for review. So hey, how's it going, guys? It's Zakir here, back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. So without much further ado, let's get straight into it. Starting off with the packaging of the device, it is just one of those very simple packaging from Xiaomi, and well, there isn't anything super dope. Opening the box, you really have the charging cable, adapter, and other sweet old school stuff that comes along with every other smartphone in the market, other than an earphone, which is pretty odd. If you don't know about this, then well, it is worth knowing that you won't get any earphone with Xiaomi devices. However, you may want to buy from their wide range of collections that they have. If concerned about headphones and earphones from Xiaomi, they really do make good headphones, and from personal experience I really like those. They have a very nice mix of bass and treble, which gives a very good output on the soft side. When it comes to the design of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, it is just amazing. The phone has matte finished back with an almost infinity display which looks breathtaking. The device is sleek and lightweight, even though the build quality is phenomenal. Taking the phone in hand, it felt premium. Reaching all corners were a little difficult because of how big it is, but however, it wasn't a massive issue. The back part of the phone has an iPhone X design portrait camera with a smooth matte finish which feels phenomenal. There isn't too much weight in the phone, but it's quite enough for a sturdy build. The phone itself comes in 3 color option of black, golden, and the very unique lilac blue, which is one hell of a looking color. The sides as well houses the power button with the volume rocker with inclusion of charging port and a 3.5mm headphone jack in the device. Speaking about the display of the device, the phone has a 5.99 inch, which is almost 6 inch display with an IPS panel and its LCD capacitive touchscreen with 16 million colors. The screen has a breaking resolution of 2116 to 1080 pixels with an aspect ratio of 18:9, and its Corning Gorilla Glass makes it really durable on normal drops. The screen itself looks really vivid and gives a ton of color and makes gaming or even video streaming very convenient. Moving on to the performance of that phone, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 performs really well in comparison to other smartphones in this price. I really think it is quite good of a deal. The phone out of the box is pumped with the latest version of Android and has a Snapdragon 636 processor and an octa-core 1.8 GHz Cryo 260 CPU. Powering the video of this device is the Adreno 509. Speaking about how the phone performs, the phone flies when it comes to the actual processing. Gaming and multitasking was just fantastic, and there was no issue and nothing I don't like. Getting to the camera, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro has two 12MP back camera, which has an aperture of f2.2 and a front camera of 5MP, which takes selfies and stuff. It can record up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. The secondary camera is a 20MP shooter as well. The pictures were really crisp. However, I think there is a ton of room for development in the front camera. Other features are fingerprint reader and a 4000 mAh battery, which is one of the things that has really attracted me, because if you really are a hardcore user and you need big batteries, then this is one of the phones that you really want to check out. So to end up, we can say that the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 has a really nice design, a very amazing display, and phenomenal performance. Gaming, streaming, and anything in this device is possible, and the huge battery gives a very big backup. So yeah, all in all, I really recommend you checking it out. And if you want to buy, make sure to go and check the Amazon link in the description box down below. If you want to help the channel, you can do so by donating via PayPal. I will leave the email below as well. So this has been for today, guys. I hope you all have really enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more content like this on all my social medias, including my website is linked in the description box down below. If you haven't checked out my previous videos, then make sure to do so. Once again, please subscribe to the channel and be a part of the family. We're almost to 2,000 subscribers, so yeah, let's reach the there as soon as we can. So take care guys. This is Zakir Hassan from Zars Tech. Bye. Peace.